Welcome to another vlog. We were sitting down and talking last night when we were on our patio, and we need to add some color into our life. It's springtime, and normally we plant flowers, but we haven't done it this year yet because of surgery and working prior to the surgery. So now, what are we gonna do?
So, like he said, we need to spruce up some color on our patio. Also, a very special holiday is around the corner, and that's Mother's Day. And there's a handful of mothers in our lives that we want to
celebrate.
Yeah.
To acknowledge, and we have a couple of special things planned. So we're gonna try to execute that while we're shopping for flowers for us.
Yes.
So we'll see if we're able to
get all of that accomplished.
Yes.
So we're going, there is a nursery that we really like. Unfortunately, they are open, but for online ordering and curbside pickup only. And with flowers and plants, I kind of want to go browse and see. So we are going to go to our local Home Depot, Lowe's, and worst case scenario, we'll go to Walmart to see what they have. We both want color, and we also want to see what kind of succulents they have in stock. But we are mask in hands, ready to go, so we'll be safe.
So the best way to start this trip off is to go get some coffee. So yes. Where are we going?
We're going to Starbucks. Here we go.
Starbucks, what can I get served to you today?
Hi, can I get a venti caramel macchiato iced?
Anything else?
Yes, can I also do a venti iced coffee with heavy cream, and let's do 3 Splenda.
Anything else?
That should do it.
Okay, that'll be $9.96 at the window.
Thank you.
So, how was our shopping trip?
It was good. I think we got a lot of good stuff, both for us and for some special moms in our lives.
Yes, it was good. However, we were gonna make multiple stops, but I think for today, we're just gonna do the one store. We wanna get home and plant our plants and give them some water so they don't die. And it's kind of muggy and hot right now, so I don't want them to wilt or die in the car. So we are gonna be headed home to do some potting. are on our way to our mom's house to give them their Mother's Day plant and cards. It is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that are out there that are watching this video. And without you guys, we wouldn't be here, so happy Mother's Day.
Yes, happy Mother's Day for sure. It is a beautiful day here in Austin, so we know that they're at home. They just got back from my stepsister's house. They spent the morning out there. They just let us know that they were about to be home, so we're gonna head over there now and yeah, visit with them for a little bit.
And then we are going to run some errands after that and get a few things that we need. So we're gonna focus on the road, but we wanted to wish y'all a happy Mother's Day.
Happy
Mother's Day!
We put her in the sun. I don't think she liked it. So she has a couple burnt spots, so let's keep her in the shade.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Welcome. Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the wedding.
Oh yeah,
I
that's...
looked at those the other day. I think I read on them. I think they are a light sun.
Yeah.
Put them over here.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, we had a really peaceful time there.
Good. You're snooping.